Alrighty guys, so today we are going to be reviewing and installing this unit that you see right here. If you are interested in a wig that's giving very much silk press, is giving natural hair, please keep watching and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so this hair was sent to me by MsLynn. This is their packaging and I just wanted to show you guys the goodies that come with it. Pretty standard. You get some headbands, some wig caps, some lashes, edge brush, a comb, and this is the unit here. This is their 13x4. 22-inch straight wig. As you guys can see, this is one of the frontals where in the middle the lace is further back, whereas on the sides it's not that much lace. So I did bleach the knots and pluck this wig off of camera, so it is customized. If you guys want a customization video, I can do that, but today I just want to review this unit and show you what it's giving. So automatically I did notice that this hairline was not matching my hairline. Keep in mind I do not have like a very deep low hairline, so in this video we are going to go ahead and try to tackle that issue. The first step, if you do have a wig and that is happening, you want to apply those clips if they don't irritate like your hair. So apply the clips and it's going to help kind of hold the wig down lower on your hairline, but obviously you don't want it too low because a low wig on your forehead is just never cute. Anyways, here I'm just taking my flat iron. This flat iron is from the hair store. If you guys watch any of my hair reviews, any of my hair tutorials, you guys know I can't skip this step. If I have a wig and I don't have a hot comb, I don't have a wig, period. Like, I have to hot comb my hair. It is just a must-have. So I'm just going in all sections, all directions, and getting this hair to be nice and flat. Alright, so after I did hot comb the roots, as you guys see, it's already giving very much natural. So I would prefer to wear this hair in its nice and poofy state, and later on in the video I will tell you guys why. But here I'm just taking my even lace spray and we're just going to go ahead and section off a small portion of the front of the hair. This is how I've been installing my wigs lately. I feel like it's giving me more of a natural vibe. I'm not getting too much like product on the front of my hairline. So this is just how I like to install my wigs lately. It's just been working for me. So you guys can definitely try it out and let me know, like, do you guys just spray it like directly on the front, or do you like my technique of kind of spraying it in between the two sections? But anyways, we're just going to go ahead and blow dry this on a cool setting. I do 2 layers of spray. The more, you know, you don't want it to be too cakey. So I think 2 is like the magic number, but you can do about 3 layers if you're trying to wear your wig longer. I prefer the even lace spray over the free spray. It is a holy grail for me. I'm so happy that TikTok put me on because I love this spray. Before we get into taking off the excess lace and getting into my edges, you know, I gotta be honest. We gotta keep the honesty in my videos. So far the hair, I know it's gonna come out very cute. I'm not worried about that, but one thing that I don't like is I just feel like it's not coming down low enough. So on this side, as you guys can see, my edge, like on the corner edge, you can just see my real hair. So I'm gonna try to keep extra lace. I don't even know, because it's so much of my hair that's displayed. Also on my sideburn, it's the same thing. I try to slick my hair back, but I feel like it didn't really help. For example, I like a unit that when we could put on, we have a choice between if we want to do edges or not. But with this unit, I don't have a choice. I have to put edges to cover up my natural hairline. So that is just the one thing I wanted to pop in and talk about. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the music back up and let's finish up this install. Alright, so next up, we're just going to go ahead and cut off the excess ear tabs. So here I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and we're just being very careful to cutting the lace. I did leave excess lace to try my best to kind of cover up my natural hairline. I didn't want to leave too much because not cutting off enough lace is not going to make your wig look natural. So I had to kind of just bridge the gap into leaving a little bit extra than I usually would. But you can still just see my hairline, which I was not a fan of that. So with that, like I said in the video, in the clip previously, it makes me have to do edges with this unit because you just kind of need to cover up your hairline. So here what I'm doing is I am just flat ironing the hair. This wig was a straight unit, so of course it's going to flat iron very seamlessly. We're just, you know, flat ironing it because after I blew dry the hair or blow dried it and everything, it was a little poofy, which I like the poofy state. Because after I flat ironed the hair got very, very sleek. And I felt like it did kind of lose its like thickness. So as you guys see, this hair looks very, very, very sleek, and that's why this hair is giving silk press. Now, some hair, when it's thin, I'm not a fan of it, but with this hair, it was just giving natural. I don't know if you guys can see, but for me, it literally just looks like I got a silk press and this is my real hair, and I really did like that. So if you're not a fan of thin hair, then this hair is probably not going to be for you. But if you're somebody that likes really sleek hair and you want your wig to look even more natural, definitely you will like this wig. Another thing that I wanted to pay attention to, because this hair is only 150% density and it already looks kind of on the, you know, more sleek, thinner side, I wanted to make sure that the hair was not going to be shedding, because if the hair is shedding, that means the hair is going to look even thinner, and we don't want that. I feel like this density is the thinnest I can go, and honestly, this hair was not shedding, which was a good thing. So like I said, if you are interested in having your hair look like a natural silk press, like it's coming from the scalp, then definitely try this out. Also, if you have a low hairline, this is not going to be the wig for you, because I don't have a low hairline, and you know, my hairline was showing. So if you have a low hairline, well, if you don't have a low hairline, then definitely this wig will be for you. So yeah, just keep these little things in mind when you're making your purchases. So here I was just kind of trying to cut at a little angle, and y'all know cutting your own hair is just never easy. So I did end up trying to bump it. It did do what I wanted to do, but obviously if a professional was cutting this, it would have ate a little bit more. So yeah, this is pretty much what the hair is looking like. Like, it's giving very much scalp. It's giving natural, and I really, really do like that about this unit. If you guys want to make purchases on this unit, all the information will be linked down below in my description box with their discount codes and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much and can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.